When your medical reps are out in the field, they should focus on what they do best: sell, not drown in paperwork, chase approvals, or waste hours on admin. Enter NavigatorPro Pharma by TecWork. More than just MR reporting and tracking solution, it's total field force intelligence. With a dedicated app for MRs and a powerful web portal for managers, gain real-time control through GPS tracking, geo-fencing plus tagging, and smart tour planning. Capture every visit, get geo-tagged proofs, log prescriptions, push promotions, punch orders. With few clicks, automate expenses, manage leaves, track targets, and monitor secondary sales seamlessly. Over 20 plus reports, a live dashboard, and enterprise-grade security ensure you're always in command. NavigatorPro Pharma for control, clarity, compliance, and performance that leads. Empower your MRs. Elevate your profits.